Good morning! Happy hump day! Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Wednesday morning it is. Natuloy ang aming breakfast ride dito sa Baby Stocks Cafe, which is actually Al's Garage area or location. Same place lang.
Phone connected.
Ba't nag-auto on yung ating car doon? Hindi ko naman pinindot. Galing ah. There's George. But I don't know where he went. Baka kumuha na siya ng upuan. Tara, pasok tayo. What up, cousin? Hello, good morning. It's like what? It's wet on your side. What are you talking about? Yeah, 215 was wet.
No. Look,
What is that?
Mac went to get gas and the bike wouldn't start. So he can start it. He said if I get it to start, I'll go straight to the garage.
Pancakes should only just take like 2 more minutes.
Thank you.
Warren was basically into it. Thank you. In that first session,
Lots of stuff. Anti-gravity. It's a little bit more.
Yeah. Breakfast is done. We are heading to Ducati kasi imi-meet natin si Omar TV doon. Namatay ata yung baterya ng multistrada niya on the way sa breakfast dapat namin. So sabi niya once na jump start na raw yung motor niya, sa Ducati na raw siya didiretso. It sucks without a side mirror, huh? You keep looking like this.
No, it's just weird. I feel like I'm being chased.
Thank you very much. Appreciate that. All right, you got the keys?
It's in there.
Okay, perfect. I'm bringing it to the back.
It should start.
This is different. This is a little bit more.
Ride safe. Telepon.
Telepono!
Good thing you remember, huh?
My pocket was empty. I hope you don't start it from the table already.
Pag nasana yan, pag lalaroan niya na yan. Thank you.
You're welcome, dude.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, guys. You're welcome, man. Take care of yourself, man.
Yes, sir.
Take care. Ride safe.
Always.
Bago update, so dapat masarap siya i-ride ngayon or mas sumarap pa siya.
Punta na tayo doon, gusto mo?
Ikaw ba, hindi ka gutom?
Hindi pa naman, kumain kami.
O tara, magawa na natin.
Yun lang, mainit sa puwet.
19,006 miles. Bagong update ah.
Yung quick shifter niya, sobrang update. Pucha, pagka unang cambio mo, 6 ta agad.
Sabi. Nagbago yung setting ng orasan tsaka
Uy, binunot yung battery eh.
info display. Hindi ako sanay sa 12 hour. Meron pa akong 18,275 before Desmo.
Before Desmo.
Annual 19 September 19.
May buko juice dyan eh. Ewan ko kung may stock sila.
Saan?
Kaya no, Speed Demon.
Buko Diyos? Speed Demon?
Oo.
Oo.
Yung girlfriend sekretarya niya nag-i-stock ng buko juice dun sa sa fridge nila.
Okay.
Binibenta.
Oh, shit.
Hell yeah.
Well, I came here for the buko juice, bro.
Yeah.
11 o'clock ako, appointment ko kanina 11 o'clock eh. Tapos tinext ko siya, sabi, I'll do it afternoon, bro. Sabi ko, Father, when shit. Ano naman oil change ako, mabilis lang oil change. Yung pads, mabilis lang din yun. Kasi bumaba na yung fluid. Laki ng ram, oh. Putang, damn.
Truck house.
Buhay,
Yun.
yakit mo na.
Go.
Ayun.
Yun lang ang masarap pagka humid. Masarap yung hangin sa katawan.
Yun, oh. May mga kasiguro ka.
Gusto ko yun ah. Yeah.
Nag-smooth yung quick shifter niya, pero parang bumakal yung parang hindi siya power shift, parang gano'n.
What?
Oh. Isip ang
Dragsters, bros curse.
Oo nga. Alright, pa-oil change tayo. Tsaka tanong natin yung pads kung mapapalitan na today.
Kung ano man yung sinabi ni Maki na yan vlog. Alright. Speed Demon. Last time na nandito ako, yung problema ko sa throttle control. Oop, yung camera ko pala. Alright, we'll see you guys in a bit. Muntik pa kita makalimutan. Kuha ka, Mak. We're here for one thing and one thing only. Alan? Oh, Ducati yan. Nandito kami kasi itong meron siyang coconut water. For sure. Ikaw.
No, why would I sell it? Man, I ain't got nothing. You selling your bike?
The Hyper.
What's that one?
Not that one.
Why not?
Fuck that. That's the GOAT, bro. Only 60. Pakita ko.
SP. Yan yung step above pa sa akin.
Yeah.
Mm.
Pero yan, sinasabi nila, pagka pinag-daily mo, tapos, truck, 1,000 miles.
Kakapalit lang. Oh shit, malambot yan. Fuck.
Ito yung stock mo, ito yung pinagtanong ko siya. Monster.
Oh yeah? SP.
Ang ng battery, ang laki yung battery nung unang panahon, no?
Iwasan naman yan.
Oo, pero...
Errand day si Omar TV today. Sinamahan natin siya sa pagpapagawa ng kanyang multistrada. So kanina pinalitan ng battery, tapos nag-update, inabot ng 3 oras sa Ducati. Ngayon nandito kami sa Speed Demon, papa-change oil naman siya and brake pads. So who knows kung gaano tayo katagal dito. Masyado rin naman kasi mainit mag-ride na. Hindi siya kasing sarap kahapon na medyo gloomy. Today lumabas yung araw. Alright, let's go. Navio. Red Bulls. Bagay, gago.
Lloyd, pinala Lloyd. Navio. Wala pala clutch to?
Ay, walang clutch.
Walang cambio. May scooter.
Scooter. Grom scooter.
Walang scooter. Walang clutch.
Navi, bro.
Ano mo, parang forward control, bro.
Hindi nga.
Kasi wala dito.
Oo nga, no.
Wala dito.
Pero may hirap daw hanapin sa Pilipinas ngayon yan eh.
Oo nga. Sabi.
Walang clutch.
Wala.
Ah. Done deal.
Done.
Errands done. Buti na lang mura yung baterya.
At least, gusto siya ulit after mga another 18,000 miles na ulit yung Pero yung 18,000 miles po ulit yan, best mo na yun.
Mas mahal nun.
Dapat.
Tangina. Kadena na rin, oh. Lapit na rin sa kadena dapat,
Hindi
di
pa
ba?
naman daw. Na-adjust pa niya eh.
Kapitin lang natin yung. Kaya mo wala sandali, Maka. Punta na ako sa likod, ah.
Sige.
Papakagatin ko lang ng konti.
Okay.
Time check, 3:32. Rats na kay multi ng tinapos natin.
Hindi pa nakapag-breakfast yan, hindi pa nakakain yan.
Ay, nakakakain po.
Oo. Teo, hindi nakapag-deliver this time.
Walang food panda si Kuya Teo, hindi available. Ikaw ba naman, ni root canal tsaka wisdom tooth sa isang araw.
Yeah, matindi yan. Oh, Skyline, oh.
Hello.
Skyline.
GPS.
Kagaya kay Pogi, di ba?
Door. Oh. Shout my Bomax sa pagsama today.
Yes, sir.
Wala na siya nga, matutulog lang din ba siya sa bahay eh.
Oo nga, sumama na ako. Tambike.
Bike. Wrong mali. Okay.
Tulog na. Pero masarap yung hangin eh, oh.
Press ko na yung hangin.
Hindi na siya parang oven.
Bago oil change, bago preno. Ayan na.
Bago baterya.
Matagal. Bago ba na rin? Matagal-tagal na ulit to. Gusto to. Okay, kaliwa. Game na yan, game na yan.
Game!
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Text na lang mamaya kung meron man gimmick.
Sige.
Group connection lost.
Alright, that's it for us today, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video, okay? God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.